Hey guys, this is Maria from TrueWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make a cartoon profile picture on Instagram. You can easily turn yourself into a cartoon avatar with PixArt photo editor app and use a created image as your Instagram profile picture. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Firstly, go to Google Play Store. Find and download the PixArt photo editor app. Once it is installed into your phone, go and open it. Click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and choose the white background option. Go right on the menu and hit the Draw tool. Press on Shapes and select the filled circle shape to draw. Tap OK. Now draw a circle. Keep in mind that you can change the circle's color and choose any color you like. Hit the checkmark icon in the top right corner. After that, select the Add Photo tool and click on your photo that you would like to turn into a cartoon avatar. Tap Add. Now make a photo bigger. Also, you need to cut yourself out from the background, so go right on the menu and press on the Cutout tool. Hit the person option and it should automatically highlight you red. Once you do it, click Save and tap the checkmark icon. Now go to the Effects tool, hit the Artistic section and choose the Oil Painting option. Use sliders in order to make yourself look like a cartoon avatar. Then you need to press on the Sketch section and select the first sketch option that is free. If you click on that sketch option one more time, sliders that allow you to edit the sketch effect will appear on the screen. So bring horizontal to 0 and choose the black color of the sketch line. Press on the checkmark icon. As you can see, the cartoon profile picture is created. Hit the arrow icon in the upper right corner and save a created cartoon profile picture to your camera roll. Now go to your Instagram profile page and change your profile image as you would normally do. So tap Edit Profile. After that, hit Change Profile Photo and choose the picture from your phone's gallery. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make a cartoon profile picture on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TrueWaySocial.com.